Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to install SuiteCRM on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it fully up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your system packages, install the necessary dependencies using the following command. Now let's install the Apache web server using this command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, install PHP using the following command. Let's configure PHP. Open the php.ini file and make the changes like I did. Install MariaDB using this command. Then log in into the MariaDB shell to create the database, set up a user and grant them permission using these commands. Now let's create a directory where we will download SuiteCRM and download it using the following command. Extract the downloaded archive and assign the proper permission using these commands. Use a text editor to create an Apache configuration file and pass the following code into it. Make sure to replace server name with your own domain name or server IP address. All that's left now is to apply these changes using the following commands. Now open your web browser, navigate to your domain name or server IP address and complete the web installation. Use the database parameters and settings we created earlier during the setup process. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.